In this video, I'm going to discuss how you can play Apex Legends on Linux. So as you can see, as of this day, last year ago on 2025, Apex Legends and supports for Linux and Steam Decks. So as you can see, they actually have a lot of hours to play in Apex and they enjoyed it. However, since Apex has ended the support on Linux and Steam Deck, it won't be able to actually be played onto that platform anymore. As you can see, it has some discussion from users and you can see and they don't want to go back to Windows just to play Apex, so they're looking for alternatives, which in this case is the finals. So you can see right here, it is actually similar to Apex, but the Apex is conflating Linux with cheaters. So as you can see right now, it's a classic blame shifting that's said by other users. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.